The first thing I'd like you to do before downloading Teams is to make sure that your iPad is up to date. Click on Settings, click on General, Software Update. If there is an update, it will appear here. So what I'm going to do is click on Download and Install. Type in your passcode and leave it to do its stuff. Right, to install Teams, what you want to do is open up the school apps. So put your finger on the screen, pull down, type in school apps, and there you will see it there. Allow it to open, navigate to Teams, so there it is halfway down. Press the install button. Press install, and then you'll see your request to install was received. Now this may take a little minute to download, or it might download really quickly. As you can see, Teams has now installed itself on this iPad. If you can't find it, pull down from on the home screen, type in Teams, and there you will see the app. Next, we need to open the app to log in. So we're going to click in the sign in button and then put your school email address. And then click sign in. Type in your password. And press sign in. Ask Teams to send you, allow notifications to be sent, and give it access to the microphone. Press next, and then got it. Press OK.